In real estate, you make 10% of your money because you're a genius, and 90% because you catch a wave. Jeff Green. Allow me to share my personal journey, a transformation from a corporate tech career to financial freedom. It all began with a nagging feeling that my 9-to-5 job was no longer fulfilling. I realized that there had to be more to life than endless meetings and office politics.
Join our YouTube community. Be part of our YouTube journey. Subscribe now. Get exclusive content, stay updated, and join a community of like-minded enthusiasts. Please subscribe for $1,000 early bird draw.
That's when I decided to take a leap of faith and venture into the world of real estate. At the outset, I juggled my corporate job with real estate investments. I began by devouring books, attending seminars, and seeking mentorship from experienced investors. Their guidance was invaluable as I navigated the intricate world of property transactions and management. One crucial lesson I learned early on was the need to treat real estate as a serious business, not just a hobby. That shift in mindset became the cornerstone of my success. With each property purchase, I approached it with a strategic business plan, meticulously calculated risks, and a long-term vision. Over time, I built a portfolio of rental properties, each contributing to my growing streams of passive income. It wasn't without challenges. I encountered troublesome tenants, dealt with unpaid rent, and faced maintenance setbacks. But I adapted and refined my tenant vetting process, emphasizing thorough reference checks and credit assessments. As my real estate investments blossomed, I made a life-altering decision. I left my corporate job behind and embraced financial freedom. No longer tied to a desk, I was free to pursue my passions, including travel and new entrepreneurial endeavors. In essence, my journey mirrors inspiring transformation. It underscores the power of transitioning careers, embracing change, and achieving financial independence through savvy investments and a determined mindset. It's a testament to the idea that with the right approach, anyone can script their own narrative of success and fulfillment. From this inspiring journey, there are several valuable lessons one can glean. 1. Mindset matters. The shift from a casual hobby to a serious business mindset can make a world of difference. Embracing real estate as a genuine business venture rather than a side pursuit allowed for substantial growth and financial success. 2. Resilience pays off. This journey showcases the power of resilience and determination. The ability to adapt to changing circumstances, tackle obstacles head-on, and stay committed to long-term goals is a key factor in achieving success. 3. Resourcefulness rules. Making the most of available resources and opportunities is essential. The individual's resourcefulness, from working multiple jobs to leveraging existing properties as collateral, played a pivotal role in her achievements. 4. Risk and reward. Venturing into new territory, like commercial real estate, can be rewarding but comes with risks. Careful consideration, calculated risks, and a willingness to learn from setbacks are crucial elements in any entrepreneurial endeavor. 5. Diversify for security. Diversifying income streams, as seen with rental properties and a construction business, can provide financial security and independence. This diversification strategy minimizes reliance on a single source of income, reducing vulnerability to economic fluctuations. In summary, this journey underscores the importance of adopting a business mindset, staying resilient in the face of challenges, making the most of available resources, taking calculated risks, and diversifying income sources. These principles can be applied to various aspects of life and business, serving as valuable lessons for anyone striving for success.